Managing digital signage shouldn't feel complicated. With QMS, you can upload content, organize it, and control exactly what plays on every screen, all from one simple web-based platform. Once you log in, everything starts from the QMS dashboard. Across the top, you'll see the main areas you'll work in: screens, files, and assets, playlists, schedules, and templates. This layout keeps everything easy to find, whether you're managing one screen or an entire network. Let's start in Files and Assets. This is where all your content lives. You can organize files into folders and subfolders, then upload images or videos by dragging and dropping them in. You can also upload directly from your computer or cloud storage, like Google Drive or Dropbox. QMS supports common image, video, and document formats, including JPEG, PNG, bitmap, GIF, MP4, H.264, PDFs, and PowerPoint or Office files, so your content is ready for digital signage right away. Each asset gives you control over when it appears on screen. You can set a live time, add an expiration date, and QMS will handle the rest, so outdated content never stays up longer than it should. QMS makes it easy to add dynamic content using built-in apps. You can display real-time weather, news feeds, social media posts, calendars, or even create split-screen layouts, all without any coding. For more creative control, QMS includes the Designer app. You can start with professionally designed templates, then customize them using flexible widgets. It's an easy way to build polished, on-brand content even if you're not a designer. Once your content is ready, you can organize it into playlists. Simply drag assets or folders into a playlist, arrange the order, and adjust how long each item plays. You can even preview the playlist before publishing it. In the Screens tab, you'll see all of your players and their current status. Assigning content is quick. Just choose a playlist and publish it to one screen, or push it out to many screens at once. If you need content to play at specific times or repeat on a schedule, QMS has you covered. Schedules let you control exactly what plays, when it plays, and what shows when no schedule is active. Whether you're updating a single display or managing hundreds of screens, QMS keeps digital signage simple, flexible, and easy to control.